everyone, this is Numan Khan and you're watching my show, The Khan Show. As you all know, we are only 20 days away from the biggest concert of this decade. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ Slam the Tour की. If you haven't bought your tickets yet, then please buy them as soon as you can, because trust me, you do not want to miss out on this. In today's episode, we'll be talking to one of the key members of the Slam team. Let me give you a little bit of information about him. He has done about 3 to 4 Bollywood movies. He was a part of 7 to 10 television shows, and he was in a lot of TV commercials. You know what? I think I kind of messed up on one of the facts, so let's go over those again. He was definitely in 7 to 10 television shows. He was in a lot of television commercials, and there you go. I don't think he has done 3 to 4 Bollywood movies. In fact, he has done 50 plus Bollywood movies. जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही पहचाना. I'm talking about the Badshah of Bollywood, the King Khan, the second richest actor in the entire world, the awesome, the amazing, the Badshah of the Slam team, जी हाँ, the one and only, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Hello Shah Rukh sir, welcome to our show. सबसे पहले हम आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे that you're doing a concert in Chicago after 10 long years. The last time you were here was in 2004 for a concert for Sahil and LA10. इतना इंतजार करवाने के पीछे कोई special reason? And also we wanted to know, what are you looking forward to with this concert?
I mean, there's no reason for it. It's just that, to put up a show and kind of take it around the world. One first would like to take it to US and then to UK, Europe, and then design smaller or bigger or more varied shows all around the world. Make it like a world tour. It takes a little while. I've always said this. For me to plan a show, it takes me 2 months of work. Normally, it's very difficult to take out those 2 months when I'm shooting a film. So this time, just to say it in Hindi, Mauka bhi tha, Dastoor bhi tha. We had a lot of artists in a film called Happy New Year, and they had time for working on the film. So I stole that time and planned a world tour. It's been a long time. Yeah, it's been 10 years since I've come to America. I really enjoy doing live shows. The big one was Temptations, which we've been reloading and reloading and taking it all over the world. So I thought we'll design a new show with new production values, new actors, new stars, and hopefully be able to entertain you in a completely different, bigger, better way than we've done before. And yeah, it does take a little while to put up a good show. So inshallah, this will be a good show. 10 years is too long, but hopefully it'll be worth the wait, if you're waiting.
Oh yes, we are. Trust me. We cannot wait to see you perform in Chicago on the 26th. Okay, I got one more question for you. So, the concerts are called Slam the Tour. But if I'm not wrong, the entire team on this concert is from the movie Happy New Year. So why is it not called Happy New Year Concerts?
I could have called it Bang Bang, but that's not my film. I could have called it Dishum Dishum. I could have called it anything. It's got nothing to do with Happy New Year, because that would actually narrow down the whole concept of a show. You have stars like Deepika Padukone, you have Abhishek Bachchan, Boman, Vivan, Sonu. We have Farah Khan, who's joining us. I'm there. And then we have Malaika Arora. Obviously, people want to, when people spend money, take hours to come down and sit in that theater, they want variety. Happy New Year may have 5 or 7 songs, but then it would get too narrow. I wanted to produce a show which is about all the stars, their songs, especially my own, for 10 years that I haven't performed in America or anywhere else. So I would like to bring all those songs, to the forefront on stage and entertain people, not just narrow it down to one film. But the excuse for it was that we have an amazing star cast in Happy New Year, everyone together, just to get them on board. And, so you'll get to hear Deepika's famous songs, not just the one from Happy New Year. You'll get to hear mine, Abhishek's, and everybody else's, not just, put into a narrowed sort of Happy New Year 7-8 songs. It's more variety, much bigger, much better. Why call it Slam? Like I said, I could have called it anything. If you don't like to call it Slam, you can call it whatever you want. It'll still smell as sweet.
Alright, fair enough. Okay, tell me this. So what is it that you love the most about being part of these world tours?
I've been, at whatever level, small or big, for 9-10 years. I was a semi-professional theater actor. I enjoy films, I enjoy television, I enjoy every medium that I am able to enact on and entertain from. I've hosted shows, I've done events, I've danced at weddings, but nothing turns me on than to, just come on live stage and try to hope that this one goes right. It's live. You don't have a retake. And, the pulsating energy that comes from the audience, 10, 20,000 people shouting, screaming. I've been for shows where I've met a young girl who was 12 when I met her last, and then I meet her again 10 years later, and she's 22, married with a kid maybe. It's an amazing journey. It's a big turn on for me personally. I like live shows. I like interacting with audiences. I like, this is the only chance I get to meet people who have made me who I am. So it's very humbling, and it's my way of saying thank you, and I'm not thank you in the way that you can touch me and feel me, but I can touch you and feel you. And I get to know who you are. I get to thank you for making me, my family, and everyone so beautiful and wonderful, and me such a big star. And I want to put my best. I need to increase my stamina. I sweat a lot. It's hard work. So finally, I feel, being the second richest star in the world, I deserve it if I sweat so much. So I come only to make you feel happy. I like live shows.
Awesome. So, will people get to see a glimpse of your forthcoming film, Happy New Year, during this tour?
Yes, most certainly, because by the time we come down, the music will be out. We have a specific last motive that we've created for Happy New Year, because we have all the stars. We've got some comedic portions, interspersed with Bomman and Farah. It's a huge variety show. We'll have, and there's this one lovely song that Deepika has done in the film with Kanika as the singer, Vishal Shekhar and Dr. Zeus. I think it's an amazing and very stunningly shot song by Farah and Geeta. We'd like to showcase that as a one-off. It wouldn't have come out by then, so the people will see it live with the artists, with the talent which has created it, which is Farah Khan, the director, Geeta, the choreographer, Deepika, the star, and then it's wonderfully done. I think it's really a highlight song for Happy New Year. So we'd like to showcase it to the city, which we visit, which is Houston, which is New Jersey. Houston on the 19th, New Jersey on the 20th. 21st, we go to Washington, D.C. 26th, we go to Chicago. 27th, Vancouver. And 28th in San Jose. So we'd like to bring it to the city, and you guys will be the first ones to see it before the world sees it. So we'll have some special stuff for you, and of course the interaction bit. And yeah, there'll be 2 to 3 things from Happy New Year, because that would be just coming down and be relevant to show it.
Alright, so that brings us to our last question. So, what should people look forward to when they come to see you in Chicago for this concert?
Why should they come? Because I say so. Please do. I'm coming after 10 years. It'd be very awkward if I land up at the auditorium and nobody's there. I'll feel very sad. So please do come. I've been trying to entertain everyone around the world for years now. So it would be really nice if you come, and we'll try and put up a good show for you. And weekend, you're free. Don't watch any other film. Come and see a live show. We'll give you, like I've always said, for years I've said, this is not a show. This is not a showcasing of our talent. This is to just come and celebrate, Bollywood. Just to come and have a party. Just to have a good time, So come with your friends. Enjoy yourself. I promise you, 2.5 hours of a good night out, good evening out, and, call us for the after party. We'll come and join you later. So just come to have fun. I can't promise you anything else. I can't make big promises. I'm an entertainer. I'm a performer. All I can humbly say is I'll try to give you 2.5 hours of good fun with the team that I have, which is Deepika Padukone, Sonu Sood, Boman Irani, Farah Khan, Vivan, Abhishek Bachchan, Malaika Arora, Kanika, Honey Singh. We have these 2 wonderful dancers from Britain, Suleiman and his team. And it'll be very, very entertaining. It's a good variety show. You'll have fun.
Alright everyone, so that was Shah Rukh Khan talking about Slam the Tour. तो अब आपको ये तो आइडिया हो चुका होगा कि Happy New Year is only a part of the concert. It's not the entire concert. We are also gonna get to see the last 10 years of Shah Rukh Khan, the best of Deepika Padukone, the best of Honey Singh, the best of Abhishek Bachchan, the best of Malaika Arora Khan, and many, many more artists. So if you haven't bought your tickets yet, then please buy them as soon as you can, because trust me, you do not want to miss out on this. Alright, जाने से पहले मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा the official trailer of Slam the Tour. And on that note, मैं आपसे इजाज़त चाहता हूँ. Once again, thank you so much for watching The Khan Show. Allah Hafiz.
Silent Anytime presents